As tensions escalate between Russia and Ukraine, analysts are warning of further pain to an already struggling supply chain. Frank Holland has what could be impacted the most. Frank.
Hey there, David. Aluminum and nickel hit multi-year highs today. You see aluminum up more than 6%. Palladium and platinum also surging higher. Palladium up 13%. Those commodities, they're crucial to the tech and manufacturing supply chain, from car parts like catalytic converters all the way down to your iPhone. And they are expected to be the most sensitive to Russia-Ukraine tensions, according to Interos, a supply chain data platform. Globally, Russia is a top exporter for those metals. It produces 6% of the world's aluminum and 7% of the world's nickel. In 2021, Russian imports to the U.S., those increased 33% from 2019 levels. There are more than 1,100 firms with direct supplier relationship with Russian firms here in the U.S. that would see a major impact if an invasion were to happen. Oil, agriculture, and especially tech and manufacturing would see major supply chain disruptions, according to the CEO of Interos.
At heavy manufacturing and titanium or palladium, which Russia is the world's largest exporter of, we're going to have a bigger problem, or nickel and platinum. So we're already seeing a constraint. There'll be a further constraint based on the relationship we have with Russia. And we'll have to figure out if there is an alternative source of supply, or do we need to find a new manufacturing way of life.
The impact to oil prices, with Russia being a top supplier of natural gas and oil to Europe, also being closely watched by freight companies here in the U.S. According to trucking data firm DAT Freight and Analytics, rates are already 60% higher than they were back in 2019, and they could spike even more. If they do, DAT says that would cause a lot of fleets to actually drive slower to conserve gas and reduce their cost. But the side effect would be they'd cover fewer miles per day, creating more problems for the supply chain.